Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to fix a cup holder in a Ford Explorer. Many owners experience issues like a dropped cup holder base or a broken tension spring. Before we begin, ensure you have a few key tools. You'll need plastic trim removal tools, a flathead screwdriver and Torx bits, specifically T15 or T20. Additionally, a 7mm, 8mm, and 10mm socket wrench will be helpful for console disassembly. Having these ready will make the repair process much smoother. The first major step is to access the cup holder by carefully disassembling parts of your center console. Begin by using a plastic trim tool to gently pry up the top section of the console. You will encounter several electrical connectors, sometimes as many as 7, which need to be unplugged. Next, locate and remove the various screws securing the console, including 3 T15 or T20 Torx screws and a few 10mm fasteners, often found under the side trim pieces. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once the console is open, you can clearly see the cup holder mechanism. Common problems include a detached bottom or a broken tension spring. If the base has fallen, you might re-glue it using a strong adhesive. For a broken spring, you can often replace just the spring itself. However, if the entire unit is compromised, installing a new cup holder assembly is the best solution. There are typically 4 to 6 screws, often T15 Torx, holding the cup holder in place, which you will remove to swap out the old unit. With your new or repaired cup holder in place, it's time to reassemble the console. Start by reconnecting all electrical plugs. Remember, they are often color-coordinated to prevent mix-ups. Carefully align the center console, pressing it down firmly to engage all the clips. Reinstall all the screws you removed, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Finally, test your cup holder by placing a drink in it to confirm it's stable and functioning correctly. Enjoy your fully restored cup holder.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.